Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best portable table saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best portable table saws. The portable job site table saw is the workhorse of any home builder. It makes an appearance on nearly every job, and the entire crew continuously uses it. Speed and accuracy matter. Number 5 SawStop Table Saw. At 130 pounds, this unit is no lightweight, and a lot of you might prefer a saw that doesn't have safety features that are going to be constantly tripping. Main features: motor continuous HP 1.5 horsepower, cord length 116 inches, solid T-style fence with ergolock. Number 4 DeWalt Weighs 7491 RS. It is one of the lighter saws on our list. The wheels and handles make it easy to move around the job site, even on those days when the rest of your crew calls in late with hangovers. Main features: strong motor, no load speed, 4,800 revolutions per minute. Tool weight 90 pounds. Number 3 Makita 2705 by 1. This one also spins at 4,800 RPMs and does an excellent job of handling hardwoods and engineered lumber. The performance seems to be on par with the DeWalt. Main features: riving knife for anti-kickback, pawls for anti-kickback, powerful 15.0 AMP motor. Number 2 Jet JBTS 10 MJS. It's have a 15 amp motor. I think this is the first saw on the list that offers soft start. Soft start motors are pretty conventional on cabinet models. Main features: strong fence with quick adjust lever, riving knife for anti-kickback, better dust collection. Number 1 Bosch 4100-09. The saw has a little lower RPM rating at 3650. Honestly, that is still plenty fast. It has a 4.0 horsepower motor, which is enough for cutting hardwoods. Main features: strong 4.0 horsepower motor, gravity rise portable stand, accuracy right out of the box. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.